Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome to What's Cooking with Kenny and Kitty. Yeah, we'll add the partner to it. Right now I'll be cooking some uh baked chicken, with a little touch of jerk vibe in it, but it's baked chicken, right? Yeah, so I have the chicken right here, so. I have my season them up here, so right, so I go blend some of my season. So you see me have my all-purpose and my herbal spice up and my salt. And a little tip of this jerk thing here. And a little tip of we call this thing browning. Yes, my wife will tell me in the background. And I have my season, my scallion, and my sweet pepper again with onion in this. And a little country pepper and some tomato. Yeah? So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned. Keep it locked, we are not chef, but we can do a thing. So this is what is going on in my kitchen at this moment. So, keep it locked. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm back again. So you feel me, have a chicken and we're gonna start add the thing them to the chicken, right? We do a thing already. So I have my herbal thing to it, yeah? Add some herbal, you need to buy them thing, cool runnings, garlic and herbal, I promote cool running. I put my herbal spice, yeah. Put as much as I can. Yeah. And I add a little all-purpose cool runnings again. Which we have some grease all-purpose. Yeah. Add some all-purpose to it. Enough, yeah. And then like rubbing my thing, Yeah. Yeah. And as me rub in, I look everything want more. Me just barely throw it, yeah. Me throw again. And as me throw, don't put too much on it. Because sometimes it might feel enough, it's not enough. So me rub in, and I've learned something. Somebody say, I was watching a cooking thing one time, and somebody said, you can't it better you over season than under season. So yeah. So I add this thing, yeah. Yeah, man. So let me jerk spice. Yep. Look alright. Look nice. Look my herbal spice. Add a little tip more all-purpose. Cooking not hard enough if you put your mind to it. If it's not necessarily my second nature, but me like do it. I me no mind do it. So yeah, so me get my thing. Rub up. Yeah. Rub it in there. I like that. Yeah, man. Look at it more. Alright, I'm done with that now. I had a little tip salt. Me just add some salt. Alright. Because the seasoning have some salt in it already. The all-purpose and then have some degree of salt in it. So you don't want your food too over salt, so yeah, and you rub it in. A little bit more. Alright, that's it, done with that now. Yes, sir. And then I add a little of this thing, little browning to get a little color. So I gotta take time through this thing, them thing. Yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna add the browning. I'm gonna rub up the browning in the thing. Would you that say? I love my browning. Yeah. Yeah, man. Add a little browning to it. Alright. Yeah. So if it'll look, it'll come on, don't? It'll come on, you see it? Yeah. Get little. Alright. Alright. So I'm done rubbing them thing here. I'm finished putting on the powdered seasoning and stuff. You're going to see me add my blend up thing. You're going to see me blend up my thing. Alright, so keep it locked. We are do the thing stage by stage to see, to show you that it's not that easy. All those who, would like to try, You know, I'm not a chef per se, but I can do my thing in the kitchen. I would say we can help ourselves. So, you know, keep it locked. Soon come back as we add the other segments, you know, the blend up, and add the blend up seasonings to this and rub it in, make it marinate and go in at the thing and juice up the thing and make it, you know, and season the thing. All right, so soon come back. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. I'm here cutting up my seasoning to blend. See there, putting my things to blend up, you know, to pour on the meat. So me put in the oven and prepare it and put in the oven. So right now I am now cutting up my seasoning, my scallion right now, or we call it green onion. So they call scallion onion. It comes from the onion family. So I'm adding my little scallion in the thing. Yeah. Do my thing, you know. Yeah. You know, cook, wash. Always wash your things. You know, we love to. What is going on here? We love to. Now if you want sharp, man, if they want sharpen, get them sharpen soon, yeah? Get them sharpen. I have a little sharpening device over there, so this is some red sweet pepper. Yeah. Put all of that in that. You know. After the whole heap of something, you know. Add some little country pepper, yeah. Alright, the country pepper. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's how we do it, you know. I want to put poop side, you know. Yeah. I want it too spicy. Right, so. You know, we do a thing and we scrape it off. Scrape it off in that. Put that one side. Take up this, yeah. Yeah. So you're seeing, so we do it stage by stage, right? Yeah, man. Put this one side. And then add a little of this thing of olive oil to it, you know. Pour a little on it, yeah. Like olive oil, yeah. And then I have a little secret ingredient here, barbecue spicy something. I'm gonna add a little light too. My God, a little. Woo! A little me say no. Alright. But this can work. Alright. I bought my little blender for this. You know. Come prepared, you know. This is something I bought it for to blend up my seasoning. Alright. Plug it in over here. Just move this over a little bit. Yeah. Then I'm going to just. Hold on. I think it's set. Alright, it's set. Alright. This going like that. You know, I'm having a little technical difficulty right now. Alright. So I'm blend up my thing. When I finish, you will see it. Alright. So I'm start this out. Ladies and gentlemen, I get the thing cracking. Getting it blend up a little bit more. Yeah, that's my seasoning blend up. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna add my seasoning to my thing. Alright. Pour it over the meat. As I pour it, I'm going to be rubbing it in, yeah? Let the seasoning go in. Let the seasoning marinate. Let the seasoning go down in the thing as I blend, as I pour. You know, another way of seasoning your food. Yeah. Looking nice. Yep. Don't think this one, I think it was a little tip more. Yeah? And I can put the rest of my blend up, my blended seasoning, in a container for another time. Alright? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this is seasoned, well seasoned. Yeah? Let me tell you how seasoned it is. Well seasoned. Alright, can't waste nothing. Little bit. Add a little more. I don't know how spicy it be, but this is well spicy. Yeah. This is how I love it. You know, as I said, everybody cook different. We cook different from everybody. Everybody do them thing different. You know, everybody approach your kitchen differently. So that is my seasoned meat. My seasoned what we call it, you know, baked / barbecue chicken, baked barbecue chicken. Yeah. And then the next thing you're going to see is when I'm putting it in the thing, in the container, to put it in the oven. And I'll be also doing some bacon and some herbal spice rice. Simple thing, no, you know, white rice, not more, you know, nothing big. And you'll see the end product. Remember, stay tuned for that. You will see it look. And when tell me it look, I'm going to be, you know, you can leave your comment. And remember always to subscribe and like the thing, you know, support the channel, support the endeavor. And you know, we just keep doing this. You know, you are gonna make this thing a success. All right, blessing us. So come back with the when I'm putting it in the oven. All right. So come back. Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. And you see, I'm gonna be using my file paper to put in the container. So let me just take a little time. Take out the file paper. The file paper. All right. Alright, I'm going to put my file paper on my thing. I'm going to make the bed for the chicken. Alright, can do my thing, right? Anything, what do you say about that? Leave in a comment. And as I tell you guys are going to be a part of this too. You're going to comment and tell me what you would like to see me cook, or what you like to see us do in the kitchen, and we will gladly take up the offer and try if we, you know, or we, you know, we research and come back and come do it. But trust me, you guys are gonna make this channel a success. All right. So let me just fix up the thing. All right. Then I'm going to get my chicken. Let me get my, you know, when you use my fork, I'm going to use a fork. And I'm going to be putting them in one by one. Alright. Alright. Putting my chicken them in one by one. Yeah. Setting them in their space. One by one. Alright. Everyone get them little corner. Everybody get them little space. Why this a chicken here, man? Alright, see ya. Alright, it looking good, you know. Things look proper. Second, I think this is the first time I'm doing this, Katie. I think the first time I'm doing this. First. And I want you guys to grade me on my first time attempting this, yeah? First time doing this. Yeah. Alright. Coming up. I'm just making space for the different chicken. Alright. Last one. Finding a space for him. These are chicken thighs. These are the thighs of the chicken. So baked barbecue chicken thighs. I like how that sounds. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is how they look in the thing. Yes, so people, thing ready for going to the oven. So just watch me. I put it in my thing. Yeah, put it at the bottom. Yeah. It must be at 350 degrees at all times, you know, and I cover it first. Later on, I'm going to take out the foil paper and for it to get a little bit of color and stuff too. But for now, let it use, you know, locked in the foil paper and everything. All right, so war on yourself, you know. Ready? We're on the way. Keep it locked. We are doing things stage by stage. All right. So I'm back with another aspect of the food, the dinner this evening. I'm doing some corn, baked corn. So you take the corn, each of them, put them in a foil paper by themselves, get some butter, and I'm gonna rub some butter on it. Yeah, put some butter on it. You know, can use my spoon, can use anything, you know. Just rub my butter on it. Yeah. Rub my butter on it right here. Yeah. Yeah. Rub the butter. Yeah. And then what I do next, put some herb spice on it. Drop some spice on it. Yeah. Spin it over. Yes, sir. Drop some herb on it. Rub up the herbal spice. Yeah. I try a thing, you know. Everything you see me doing today, first me I try it. Right? I'm going to do three corn, but this is the first one you're seeing, alright? So you guys can, you know, rub up the corn, put it in the foil paper, put it in the container, alright? You're not going to see it, you know? And you guys, I say you can grade me, you know? We're showing you that we're showing you each part and each step of it, put my corn. So you're going to see the other corn them, you know, and when put them in the oven, you're going to see the end product after. I'm going to show you, I'm just showing you what I'm doing with the corn. I have three of them over here, side over there, and I'm going to be wrapping each of them just like this. It's simple cooking, no big nothing, alright? Soon forward again. Yeah, this is how you prepare your rice. Go back with the rice pot. You get your rice, yeah? I'll come in this bag here. And this is kind of a teacher little thing too, you know? If somebody in, you know, who aspire to want to go in the kitchen, you know, can teach a little thing too. It's not just me cooking, but I can show a person who want to do something in the kitchen. Anybody can do something in the kitchen if you put your mind, and it's not a lot of work. Yeah, you can learn anything from YouTube these days. So get your rice, a little rice, and then my hand swell rice. That's what they say. Yes. So you get your rice. And always remember. Sorry about that. Always remember to wash your rice. Alright, so over here, you're not seeing me now. I'm getting my rice washed. Always wash the rice. Alright. Think this can work, yes? Then get some water on the rice. Alright? Can do anything, you know. Then what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this rice pot. We're gonna go over to the stove. Yeah. So we'll be cooking the rice. Yeah. And what you're gonna add to the rice, simple. I can use butter Or, you know what? Let me use the olive oil. Not using the butter, I can't. Let me use the olive oil. Because I was going to use the butter. But can you use the olive oil? Pour a little olive oil in it. You can use butter too, you know. You know. But I've lately, whoops, that far down. Authentic kitchen. Yeah. So with the olive oil, then I have my cock soup mix right here. Get my scissors. You know, cock soup mix. Pour some of it in the rice. So this rice is called El Caliente. Alright. A little Spanish in it. Noodle rice. Mmm.
Yeah, cause bad word, you know.
No, me not do that. Me not do that. Me not do that. Me not do that. And a little of this in it. Little salt because the cock soup already has salt in it. Alright? Yeah, that can go on. And then I add some of this herbal thing. This is an all-purpose thing. Can go in anything, yeah? Add some. Yeah. Put the that in it. Then you stir it. Close my counter, yes, sir?
Cupboard.
Yeah, close my cupboard. So, you know, there's something I know where I get hold. Yeah, I'm gonna just add a little bit more. Alright. That's that. Alright. Stir it a little bit. Let it. Alright. I hope that works now. That must work. I don't like to taste pot when I'm cooking, but nothing is wrong with tasting your pot, right? Catch a little water. I didn't turn up the pipe, no. Add a little tip more water in it. Alright. And that's it. Simple as that. Get your rice, wash it. You know, make sure you put it on this one, make it heat up a little. Then you add your thing, you know, your olive oil or your butter. Or you can use cooking oil too, you know, anything oily. And then you can, you know, add, you can even add coconut milk to it. You can add, you know, put scallion in it. You can, you know, you can do anything you want. You want to do with this thing, you know, you understand me? So keep it locked. When I'm done, soon come back. You know, I show you a little thing how me working in the kitchen. Yeah. So people, I'm back with another aspect of what I'm, you know, another area segment of what I do. You know, I'm gonna make my little gravy to dip the chicken in, to, you know, to give it a little color and stuff, and, you know, barbecue look.
Barbecue sauce.
You know, so I'm going to use my ketchup. Look up here, I have pan, little heat. You know, spray my ketchup in here. I'm going to add water to it too, you know. You know, yeah, turn on the stove. Look. Yeah. Then I add Diana. You know, we meet this thing. I saw this the other day and just buy it and we like it. You know, so Diana sauce. Diana can give me some of the money which I make me a promote her thing. Yeah. Yeah. Oh boy. Open that spill. Alright, let me spill over here, so. I'm going to add a little tip of this thing. This is my secret sauce, my secret ingredient.
Okay.
My secret thing. This not enough. Yeah. So we just add that in it. Yeah. Yeah. Mix it round. Yeah. Alright. Go for my wooden spoon, you know. So add more Diana. I want enough in it to can, you know, dip me, you know, use my wooden spoon, yeah. Kinda stir it. Yeah. And then I want to get it a little sweetish. So do a little unorthodox, you know, thing. Some people use lime juice. Some people use pineapple juice. I'm using guava. Guava juice right here. Sorry. Just add some guava juice to this. Hi! Yes, sir. Help me, Lord. And then I'm going to stir it. Yeah, get a the guava juice, give it a little sweetness. Yeah, like how it's looking is yes, man. Can dip my chicken in it. I think I'm going to need a little more because I got about 9 pieces of chicken, and you know I want to have enough to can serve for to can wipe the thing to spread over my. Matter of fact, I don't even have to dip it. I can just use it and pour it over my chicken in the oven and turn it and give it the color. Yeah. So there you have it. My sauce. This is not a secret ingredient, but to give you an idea of a sauce that you can make. Yeah. Looking for something here. Little tip, not much. Mustard. Why this a thing I got spicy, man. Alright. So you have a little heat under it. Yeah. Clean up my area. Yeah. Yes, sorry about that. So yeah, so this is what we're doing, ladies and gentlemen. That's my sauce that I'm gonna be putting on my chicken. After a while I'm gonna take the foil paper off. I'm gonna take the foil paper off the chicken to open it up now to the ear for the oven to give it a little color, and then add that little taste to it. Let me see what. Let me tell you something. That's something there. That's something there. Nice. You can try it. That's what I am telling you. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, I just invent something that you can use. I don't know. I've never seen anybody using guava juice. On things. You can use juice, people use lime juice or whatever. I use guava. So keep it locked. I'll tell you how it tastes later on. As I said, we're in the kitchen and we're inventing, kitchen, is a place that you can just, let me turn this down a little bit. Kitchen is a place that you just, it's chemistry. And you just try a thing. No, I cook rice a lot, but the chicken part of it, I cook a whole of chicken recently. I'm going to do it again for you guys. Jerk chicken, whole of jerk chicken recently, Barbie jerk. and now I'm going to do, bake Barbie. Bake Barbie chicken. Bake Barbie, that's what it's called. With the liquor sauce, and go add my sauce to it. And stay tuned, keep it locked. You will hear how it tastes. Let me show you how I go on my rice. Yes, so my rice are cooked down. Look at my rice. What I normally do with my rice, while I'm cooking it down, what I do is I pour a little water on it, because my wife can tell you my rice always come out nice. Pour a little water on it, turn down the stove to about 1, make it stir it and just cook. And it's going to be shelly and nice. Let me tell you about that. Let me tell you. Big up yourself. And I must big up on my sister, Lorraine. She do fair thing too. Promote fair thing too. But big up my sister. She is the master chef, But I am just, I am, from the family that can cook. All of we can cook. My wife never could cook so good until recently. But keep it up. I never cook much because she loved the kitchen. She will cook. I like, I wash the clothes and all them stuff, so we kind of balance up. But of lately, because she, baby, newborn son, and big up yourself Kareem, big up yourself Kaija, there. See there. Wow. Wow. Barbie baked chicken with corn and herb rice. We call it caliente rice. Rice with fervent Spanish in it, with like a herb in it. Some cucumber and lettuce on the side. Yeah, man. I'm proud of myself. Feel good. And can I tell you something? It tastes good too. Because we taste one of them and it, trust me, I can't believe the taste of the guava juice in it. Gita. Yeah. So you call this guava barbe baked chicken. Or guava barbecue. Our barbecue chicken with barbe baked chicken with guava sauce on it. Yeah, man, I eat that, man. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. I want to think about the food there. Remember to like, subscribe. I'm soon turn on the commenting if you want to comment. Like and subscribe and share the thing. Alright, support the thing. You know, this has been your boy Kenny. Peace. We're out. Bless upon yourself, and thank you all those who have supported me, the things so far, support the efforts so far. Bless you. Big up on yourself until next video. All right.